Hey guys.
Hey guys, look what we got.
This is my daddy.
Hello guys, thanks for welcome back to Beda's Family Life. This is my family, hubby. We got my 4-year-old, and also we have my 6-year-old over here. We're going to be eating Chinese food tonight, and they're just gonna be eating their food. But me and hubby, we're gonna do a speed eating challenge to see who can finish the food the fastest. We got 2 chicken wings, we got an egg roll, and we got a bed of rice. So it's actually pork fried rice. So we're gonna see who can do it the fastest. Stay tuned for our next video. We're gonna do the We're gonna do the 10 chicken leg challenges in 5 minutes. We're not saying I do 5, I do 5. If he do 7, I do 3. If he do 6, I do 4. If I do 7, he do 3. We're just trying to finish all the 10 in 5 minutes. So stay tuned for the next video, and we're going to see who can finish.
Mommy, can I play with Jack? Can I eat
No, just you and Kalia just eat y'all food, okay?
You want to it until low. You can try your hand if you want to.
All right, guys. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
Let's go. Let's get it.
Shh. And 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm almost outside.
Less talking, more eating if you're trying to finish.
Mommy, I think you are.
She ain't better win, bro. She's gonna get busy like me. You're... Got that sriracha on top of it too. Yeah. She's doing it wrong. Gotta eat the rice first.
I ate my rice first. See?
No talking. Stop. It's not gonna die.
Knock this egg roll out right quick. You see that? Dark sauce action. I can take a break too from that fast. You feel me?
Oh.
Hey. Go you up.
Fine, that's not all I'm eating. I need more.
See that? Khalil, you cheating?
How?
She ain't cheating. She's the winner.
I'm eating.
Clay, you the winner. I'm gonna pick you. But I think I'll pick
You touch the baby.
Daddy.
Get some water.
Eating foo-foo.
No, you ain't eating no food.
We eating
Who y'all think gonna win?
Me.
No, I think Daddy will win.
No, I think my own self will win.
No.
Cause look at me right now. I'm eating my rice.
Daddy tell Clay she cheated.
I'm eating. That's what's called eating.
Gotta be quiet.
Can I put all the chip?
It's a wrap for these folk. You hear me?
For what?
I love my family, but I gotta win.
Look at me, Dave.
I'm a competitor. All right. Sorry.
I'm gonna think I'm gonna win my
Oh,
life.
you talking about?
Put a few pieces off. And that. Okay, I think I'm not gonna do with this. I'm just gonna put this one out because it got bones on it. So
Daddy.
I'm not eating
Don't try to distract me.
Cause I already beat it you.
Oh, you did?
See what?
Who one is coming
We
up?
still got crust and everything on them. Go back.
You not. You still got some more on that chicken. So
Done.
you got some meat right there.
That's not meat. That's cooked. I eat it now. Done. Beat y'all.
You're
That
Clint.
was scratch.
The biggest mouse? I have the biggest mouth.
Clint, come pick this plate up.
I'm gonna go get another chicken.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that plate up.
Hey guys, yeah, it's only me and her and her. I mean him.
I ain't drink no water, y'all. Gotta take up space. You hear me?
Mommy, I think Daddy is the good. I just keep on saying her.
Nobody drink water, but I want some water.
But Clint, goodbye. You irritating me.
First. Yeah. Hold this.
Time. Hold on a minute, I can swallow.
Who the winner is? Mommy!
Send the flowers now.
Mommy, you the winner.
Time.
You're the winner.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all what the problem was. He kept running off at the mouth in the beginning. Running off at the mouth. See, y'all, I can take a break. I can do whoop-de-woo, whoop-de-woo. Now, you see what taking a break and running your mouth get you? And the loser spot.
Facts.
I'm full, y'all.
Mommy,
I swear for
can I
juice.
be full?
The great
Eat the
words
rest of your rice.
of J. Cole, you win
Man.
some.